Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. In this video, we are going to see part 2 MCQs on blood and blood circulation. Question number 1. Smallest blood cells are options A. RBCs, B. Platelets, C. WBCs, D. None of these. The right answer option B. Platelets. Platelets are small colorless cell fragments in our blood that form clots and stop or prevent bleeding. Question number 2. Which one is not a plasma protein? Options A. Albumin, B. Fibrogen, C. Heparin, D. Prothrombin. The right answer option C. Heparin. Heparin prevent or stop blood clot whenever body getting enough. Question number 3. Largest number of white blood corpuscles. Options A. Eosinophils, B. Basophils, C. Neutrophils, D. Monocytes. The right answer option C. Neutrophils. Neutrophils are type of white blood cell that helps or heal damaged tissues and resolve infections. Question number 4. Which of the following is blood bank of the body? Options A. Liver, B. Spleen, C. Heart, D. Bone marrow. The right answer option A. Liver. Question number 5. Antibodies are absent in which of the following blood group? Options A. Blood group A, option B. Blood group B, option C. Blood group AB, option D. Blood group O. The right answer option C. Blood group AB. Question number 6. During blood clotting, fibrin is produced from options A. Proteolysis, B. Liver, C. Thrombokinase, D. Prothrombin. The right answer option B. Liver. Fibrin is a soluble protein that is produced by the liver and found in blood plasma. Question number 7. Lifespan of WBC is options A. 10 days, B. 2 to 4 days, C. 9 to 120 days, D. 12 to 50 days. The right answer options B. 2 to 4 days. Question number 8. On what basis is the blood group classified? Options A. Antigen and antibody, B. Hemoglobin content, C. Rhesus factor, D. Oxygen content. The right answer option C. Rhesus factor. Rhesus factor, also known as antigen D, is used to classify blood into positive and negative. Question number 9. Process of blood cell formation is called options A. Hematopoiesis, B. Erythropoiesis, C. Leukopoiesis, D. Thrombopoiesis. The right answer option A. Hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis is the production of all cellulose components of blood and blood plasma. Question number 10. Blood is red in color due to the presence of options A. Erythrocytes, B. Thrombocytes, C. Hemoglobin, D. Leukocytes. The right answer option C. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an iron-rich protein found in red blood cells that gives red blood cells unique red color. Question number 11. What are neutrophils? Options A. Immature red blood cells, B. A type of white blood cells, C. A type of platelets, D. A type of bacteria. The right answer option B. A type of white blood cells. Neutrophils are the type of white blood cell that helps heal damaged tissues and resolve infections. Question number 12. During blood coagulation, thromboplastin is released by options A. RBC, B. Blood plasma, C. Leukocytes, D. Clumped platelets and damaged tissues. The right answer option D. Clumped platelets and damaged tissues. Question number 13. Blood is red but RBC are absent in dash. Options A. Frog, B. Man, C. Rabbit, D. Earthworm. The right answer option D. Earthworm. Question number 14. Which blood vessels carries blood away from the heart? Options A. Arteries, B. Capillaries, C. Veins, D. All of the above. The right answer option A. Arteries. Question number 15. Which of the following compared to soldiers? Options A. Lungs, B. Red blood cells, C. White blood cells, D. Capillaries. The right answer option C. White blood cells. White blood cells provide immunity to our body. They help in fighting against diseases, infections, allergies, and foreign particles. Question number 16. Presence of RBCs in urine is called as. Options A. Uremia, B. Alkaptonuria, C. Proteinuria, D. Hematuria. The right answer option D. Hematuria. Hematuria is blood in the urine. Bloody urine should never be ignored. Question number 17. Liquid which remains after clotting of blood is called as. Options A. Serum, B. Plasma, C. Blood, D. Lymph. The right answer option A. Serum. Question number 18. Dash is the blood disorder where the hemoglobin is defective. Options A. Heterochromia, B. Hemolysis, C. Alopecia, D. Sickle cell anemia. The right answer option D. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a blood disease that affects red blood cells and change the shape of the red blood cells. Question number 19. Arterioventricular septum is made of. Option A. Cartilage, B. Osteocytes, C. Fibrous tissue, D. Mucous membrane. The right answer option C. Fibrous tissue. Arterioventricular septum is a septum of the heart between the right atrium and the left ventricle. Question number 20. Sphygmomanometer measures. Options A. Pulse rate, B. Heart rate, C. Blood pressure, D. Brain activity. The right answer option C. Blood pressure. Question number 21. Leukocytes are made up of which tissue? Options A. Glandular tissue, B. Connective tissue, C. Endothelial tissue, D. None of the above. The right answer option B. Connective tissue. Leukocytes are one of the blood cells that is made in the bone marrow and found in the blood and lymph tissues. Question number 22. What are the main functions of food? Option A. Transport of blood, B. Production, C. Regulation, D. All of the above. The right answer option D. All of the above. Question number 23. What is the most common symptom of high blood pressure? Options A. Racing heartbeat, B. High body temperature, C. Fatigue, D. It has no symptom. The right answer option D. It has no symptom. Question number 24. The cells involved in inflammatory reactions are. Options A. Basophils, B. Neutrophils, C. Eosinophils, D. Lymphocytes. The right answer option A. Basophils. Basophils are a type of white blood cell. Basophils are responsible for fighting fungal or bacterial infections and viruses. Question number 25. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from. Options A. Right atrium, B. Lungs, C. Right ventricle, D. Right atria. The right answer option B. Lungs. Hope this video very useful for you. If you feel the same, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.